Welcome to class. So in this first video, we want to make a border. So you cut 7.5 by 7.5 paper, that's a square paper, and then you cut it in other colors as well. I have about 8 colors with me here, so of the same size. So when you do that, after you are done, you fold it into a triangle. Make sure that the edges, so you do that for each of them. You do that, fold them into triangle, and make sure that the edges align. So you do that for all of them. So we have it all done. So you arrange them. Okay, so you pick one and fold into two. Fold into two. Then you open up again. Take your ruler, measure 3 centimeters. Then you come to this side, measure 3 centimeters as well, mark it, and then you join the 2 points you have marked together. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is you want to cut together. Or if your scissors isn't sharp, you can pick them 3 at a time or whatever you like. So you align, them, and cut. So you just cut along that place you marked. So we have that ready. Pick another set. Okay, let's cut all at once because of time. Now you know what to do. So you align them, and then you cut along that. So all done. Now you open each of them. Open them up. Open them up. And then you begin to arrange. So first it faces this side, then you pick this. You see that the lines align, so you pick this goes into this, and then you pick another color this way, the same way. This goes into this, and then you put this into this. Okay, so we pick the next color. Let's pick a dark color. Remember that we are trying to follow, so this comes in here, and then the yellow goes in there. So you pick another color, and there you go. Pick another color. Pick another color, and then you pick another color. And so there you have it. So you can decide to glue those points together. That's these points where you have the, so we decide to glue them or leave them. Yeah, if you don't, even if you don't glue them, they are sturdy. Can you see? So then you do that all around your board. So at the end we have something like this, and this is the previous one that was made. So you can have a dual design. It could be that, and it could be this, depending on what you want to use. So we have that.